Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now. You must confirm Windows 11 updates and checks before deeper fixes. You open Settings System Display and note the brightness slider. This tells you if software control is active. Once done, test the keyboard brightness keys with FN. Make sure function lock isn't blocking them. If keys do nothing, open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters and Monitors. You're preparing to update drivers, so leave Device Manager visible for the next steps. Now focus on drivers and power settings because most brightness failures come from them. You update the display adapter and monitor drivers in Device Manager. Right-click, choose Update Driver, and use Search automatically. Then install the laptop maker's power management and graphics drivers from their support page. Make sure versions match your model. Once installed, open Power Options, edit the active plan, and set display adaptive brightness and brightness level. Finish by restarting and resetting fast startup. You turn it off and back on to clear power state quirks. Then run the Windows hardware and devices troubleshooter from settings to detect conflicts. If brightness still fails, roll back the display driver to a prior version or boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks control. One key troubleshooting tip: create a system restore point before major driver changes. If something breaks, you can revert quickly and avoid extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.